All right. Welcome back, everyone. This is Irving here. Welcome to our Forex Weekly Forecast for the week of August 16 to the 20, 2021. I'm going to share with you step by step exactly how we're gonna be breaking down each pair. So stay with me to the end for a announcement. So as you all know, guys, this is Teamwitherving here. If you want the best tip, tricks, analysis here in our Forex channel, then be sure that you hit that and subscribe button so you can never ever miss any video from our channel. So we are here on fire. So let me show you what the Forex Weekly Forecast looks like for this week, guys, for the 16th to the 20. If you do have any opinion, please let me know in the comment below so we all can work as a team. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and start with AUDUSD. Just a quick announcement, guys. I'm in vacation. I'm here in Cancun, Mexico. We are enjoying some amazing water. The sun is gorgeous. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. So we are here out of the country having a good time, but hey, it is what it is, right? All right, so we are gonna go ahead and show you what AUDUSD is doing. This is what I'm seeing at this chart here, guys. All I'm seeing here is there are multiple time frame here. It is telling us that we are in a buy position. What is our why multiple time frame letting us know here is also letting us know that we are also in a buy position. Then pay close attention. Our TWE sniper entry is also confirming that we are buying this market here. So the question here is, I'm seeing here in real time the market is giving us a small retracement. Pay close attention to your dashboard, guys. The dashboard is very important to always pay attention. Where is the market heading to? So right now it's telling us the market is doing a small retracement, right? Which is true. So what is my input on AUDUSD? Yes, the market will still give us another few more pips, basically retesting this green arrow here. From there, overall we're looking for a buy position, guys. I know, guys, that market will open on Sunday at 5 p.m. So I usually don't tell anyone, please don't trade on Sundays. But all I can see here is the market still has potential to give us a retest on our 23.6 Fibonacci line, which is previous 4 hours and daily in there. Going as a buy position, and boom, we are in a buy position. Let me know in the comment below, guys, what do you think about AUDUSD? I think this pair here is very bullish, very sexy, letting us know that market, it is only going in one direction, and that direction, it is bullish. All right, let me go ahead and show you what the next pair looks like. A quick reminder to everyone, guys, please, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow traders. Please do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. Please, guys, it's very important for you to read those Forex disclaimers so you don't ever mess anything. If you want me to teach you how to trade, guys, or you want to come and join our 30 days trial, the link is in the description of this video. Join our gold membership if you want 30 days. If you don't want 30 days and you want to go straight up to the system, also the multiple time frame link, it is below. So make sure you don't miss any video, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never ever miss any video from us. All right, so let me go ahead and show you what the next pairs look like, guys. And like I say, you know, join if you want to, and do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. So here's our USD Canadian. Pay close attention what USD Canadian is doing, guys. So I don't want anyone to get fooled. It's a Irving. Now you're wrong, Irving. This mentor told me this on this pair. Look, be smart in other way, guys. Look at here, clearly telling you what. Look at that. Boom, market is selling. Why multiple time frame is boom selling. Our sniper entry is selling as well. So this is USD Canadian. What is the market doing? Is the market bullish? Because if your mentor is telling you the market is bullish, then something's wrong with that mindset. Right here, market is only selling at this present time. This is what I'm saying here, guys. Our multiple time frame is letting us know here we're going in continuation of that sell position. What is my understanding for this particular pair here is the market still has potential to retest our 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line, which is previous. A lot of great information in here, support and resistance. From there, market will give us a more retracement, making this sell position stronger. So it's gonna come back and retest your 38.2 Fibonacci line, which is our previous, look at here, previous TWS 9 per entry, and then market will continue his trend down because we're looking here for a sell position. That's all I'm seeing here, guys. If you do see something else, please comment below. Let me know what you think. What is your input? So guys, next week I'm still gonna be on vacation, so I will not give you any weekly analysis, unfortunately, but we are gonna be going live on Monday, the following Mondays, so where you're gonna have the opportunity to ask questions. But I just wanted you to understand that that's why it's not good to depend on signal, guys. If that person gets sick or that person goes on vacation, you're out of luck. Learn how to trade on your own. Learn how to trade. That's the best gift you ever gonna learn in this business. All right, let's move on to our next pair. The next pair that I have here, it is EURGBP. Look at what EURGBP is doing, guys. EURGBP, it is on fire. The market is clearly selling crazy. Look at this sell here. Boom, boom. Look at the stairs. Stairs don't lie. Stairs only coming in one direction, and that direction, it is bearish. But what's my understanding now? Irving, why are you saying the market is selling when the market is telling me here the market is bullish? That is what you always need to be asking, guys. That is the question of the day. So the question of the day is, market is bullish? Yes, market is giving us here a pullback. So pullback is very active. Is ready to retest your 23, one of the very key level here. So I can say, guys, market still have potential to still give us another 15, 20 more picks, because there is more evidence in here. The market still has some more area to push up. But remember, we are looking here to be solid, right? So then market will continue as a sell trend. What do you guys think? Guys, what do you guys think? Hopefully you guys got some value from this video, guys. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you are finding value on this one. Look, all you have to do, guys, is support the channel by hitting that thumbs up and subscribing. So because I'm doing all this, it takes time, guys. Look, I'm on vacation, guys. I'm here on vacation, but I'm still thinking about you guys. I'm thinking about the world. The world needs to make some money. So all I'm asking in favor is make sure you hit that bell notification in there, subscribe, and so on. Alright, give me the thumbs up. Alright, fair enough. Alright, let's move on to our next pair. The next pair of the day, it is EURUSD. Someone said, Irving, what happened with EURUSD? Market is bullish. Look, if you don't have multiple time frames, your job will be hard. Period. So what are we seeing here? Market is selling. Don't get me wrong. The whole area here is selling. Our TWS 9 entry is also selling. Look at what the market is doing. Even with that huge push in there, market is only selling. Look at that. This is, oops, I grabbed the wrong tool. Let me grab the right tool. Look at here. Boom, market is selling. Now, just because you saw the multiple time frame here is giving us a pullback, yes, pullback could be nice. Pullback can blow your account. But if you were to take this buy position on any lower time frame, there would be money in there. But I always suggest people to look, try to grab anything from 30 to 40 pip in and out, because you're going against the trend. So this is a huge movement going up. Boom, market took off. What's my understanding for this week? All I can see, guys, market still may have some area to still push up back, retesting your 50 Fibonacci line. From there, we are gonna continue seeing this sell position though. So the market, all I'm seeing here, market is coming to an end of that retracement here. So now market is coming back down as a sell position. So wait probably until Tuesday, guys. I don't think on Monday is gonna be ready. but it's still gonna be retesting your buy position, and then we're gonna be looking for a sell trade on this trade. What do you guys think, guys? What do you think? Guys, if you guys want to grab the 30 days trial, please let me know. The link is below, or if you want to go ahead, grab the multiple time frame, also let me know. Either way, guys, let us know so we can give you access and so on. So it's very important for you to stay up to today's day, okay? And don't forget, guys, we always do live daily trading videos here, so make sure you do subscribe, you know, just hit the bell notification below, okay? All right, fair enough. So let me continue. Keep saying what I'm saying here, what I'm seeing here. Hopefully all these pairs are good, guys. So this week I'm analyzing how many pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are gonna do the last one. Let's go, let's go. Let me show you what USDJPY is doing. Let's go. All right, so let's see what this pair has to offer this week. There you go. Beautiful trade, guys. Look, this is gosh, this is sexy. I told you for a long time the market here, it is selling, guys. Now, what was last week the market doing? Last week, guys, the market was give us a pullback. Look at this gorgeous pullback, pullback. The market took off. That is true. Look at this one. Remember, what's your master trend on USDJPY, guys? The master trend here, it is bearish. So overall, you are always gonna be winning with going in favor of your master trend. If you go against, things will go against you. If you go in favor of it, things will go in on your favor. So what happened here was the market came all the way retesting your 61 to your 78 Fibonacci line. Boom, beautiful setup. Then what was formed in here? It was formed a continuation of the master trend sell. So yes, that was considered a pullback based on the previous buy position. But remember, you're going in favor of the big trend. The big trend here says that it's selling. Then market drop currently based on this sell position here, and it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Now, what's my understanding for this week? Market still has potential to retest your 23.6 Fibonacci line. From there, market will do a small retracement, come back to your 38.2 Fibonacci line, which is making that sales position stronger. Then we're gonna continue to see another sell here. But anyway, I'm not gonna be able to reanalyze this with you on Wednesday because I'm having vacation, guys. I'm here in a resort, so I just can't do it. All right, so maybe I can do a YouTube Zoom class, but we see, guys. I just want to enjoy some time with my family and so on. But market is doing that. Hopefully everything makes sense to you. All right, so come and join us for 30 days, guys. It's not a bad deal, man. You can see us next week. You can start seeing everything, how we do it, break it down and so on. But it's gonna be the best 30 days of your lifetime, right? So there's no more there's no other 30 days somewhere else, guys. This is it. Come and get this, guys. So guys, today we are doing our Forex weekly forecast for the week of August 16 to the 20. Make sure you subscribe. This is Teamwitherving here. Our website is the following: www.tweforexsystem.com. You can join directly from there, or either you can join on the link that is on the description of this video. Okay, so remember, I never ever send any request that I'm gonna be handling your account, so don't get spammed by somebody else. You're always gonna hear it directly from my mouth, guys, from my mouth, nobody else. All right, fair enough. Well, thank you guys so much for coming in today. God bless you, God bless your family, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Take care, guys. See you next week. Peace out.